Let Sagittarius be your guide. Welcome to Stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Plot Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Marlene Hidalgo, science teacher from Miami-Dade County, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory. If you go out any moonless night this summer, you will see an ancient constellation pointing the way to the hearts of two cosmic wonders. Let's show you. Okay, we've got our sky set up for around 10 p.m. facing south, where you'll see our two favorite star patterns of summer, the constellation which looks like a fishhook, or the capital letter J, Scorpius the Scorpion, and directly behind it, several bright stars which, if connected by lines, look like a teapot.
Now, Scorpius is officially called a constellation, but the teapot is not. It's what we call an asterism, which means that it's an additional pattern made of fairly bright stars within a constellation. The constellation to which the teapot belongs is a very large pattern of stars named thousands of years ago for a mythical creature called a centaur, a creature which was half man and half horse.
Now, this particular centaur was named Sagittarius and was known to be a great master with the bow and arrow. A centaur archer, his bow is marked by two stars of the teapot's lid and the star at the bottom of the spout. The arrow starts at the top star in the handle, with its tip marked by the star at the tip of the spout.
And you can see that it's aimed at the red star, which marks the heart of the scorpion, Antares. Antares is a red supergiant star 700 times as wide as our sun. But on clear moonless nights, far from city lights, you'll also see that the tip of Sagittarius's arrow is embedded in the widest and densest part of the great ribbon of light called the Milky Way. The Milky Way stretches all the way from the southern horizon up to the zenith and back down to the northeast horizon.
If you take a pair of binoculars and look here or anywhere along the Milky Way, you will see that it is made up of millions of pinpoints of light. Each one is a distant star, and which, along with our sun, all belong to a great cosmic spiral family of 200 billion stars we call a galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy.
Our sun is located about 2/3 of the way out from the center. So when we look at Sagittarius and Scorpius, the reason the Milky Way appears thickest and widest here is because the bulging center of our galaxy lies in this direction. In fact, the tip of Sagittarius's arrow is pointed directly at the galactic center, as well as at Antares. So you can find these two cosmic wonders with the help of the ancient archer.
All right, let's see what the planets are doing this week. Okay. We have our skies set up for just after sunset next week, and if you look toward the west, you'll see the brilliant planet Venus off to the left of the bright star Regulus, the brightest star in Leo the Lion. If you make a point of viewing Venus at the same time over the next week or so, you'll see Venus shift farther south each night.
Looking toward the southwest, you'll see the ringed planet Saturn in the constellation of Virgo. Over the next few weeks, you'll see Saturn moving ever so slowly in the direction of Libra the Scales. Saturn is still fairly close to us and still quite bright, so definitely take a look at it through a telescope next week.
And for you early morning stargazers, we have a treat for you. Look toward the east about an hour before sunrise and you'll see the red planet Mars, the giant planet Jupiter, and the messenger of the gods Mercury having a close encounter in the constellation Gemini the Twins. And as the nights pass, you'll see the groups spread further and further apart.
And make sure to mark your calendar. Next month on August 2nd, a slender, waning crescent moon will close in on the trio. And on Sunday morning, August 4th, we'll be treated to the moon, Jupiter, Mars, and Mercury, forming a diamond pattern in the sky just before sunrise.
And it's all visible from your backyard if you
keep looking up.